Hey people, so this expensive looking toy, that's what we got it for. It's called Sand Alive, and we got it for just like mega playset, but it was only for like 200 bucks. We got it, and it is apparently that's what this young man, he will show us how to play it.
Yeah.
But it looks like a fun game, so
It's not even a game, it's a toy.
okay, so we plan to, mother and son plan to play. So while we are playing, it will be difficult to do a recording, so I thought I might as well do the unboxing. This is the first ever unboxing I am doing in my life. Unboxing normally is for some very precious things, but this is for this little game, so this feels good. And it's not opening, but yeah, but we are going to try and keep trying and finally open it when Ayush is 95.
After all of the years.
Yeah, so but yeah, so you all took a look at it. It's called
Subscribe to make me
Mega
open
Play,
this.
and it's called Alive Sand.
Subscribe
So on
to
that-
make me open this.
Subscribe. And so yeah, so thanks for watching people, and we might make another video on the same thing. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.